this video is going to show you the 3 steps how you're going to use ChatGPT to grow your email list fast in 2025. You've heard that email marketing is important, but let's be real, who has time? But this is why you should make time. As a creative service provider, up to 80% of your sales come from email marketing. And in fact, in 2025, it's never been easier to grow your email list with the help of ChatGPT. In this video, I'm going to show you a 3-step formula how you can grow your email list fast using ChatGPT. Let me show you how. If we haven't met yet, I am James, one half of Betsy and Francis. I'm a business coach who specializes in helping creatives attract their dream clients, charge premium prices, and craft an automated sales funnel that attracts, nurtures, and converts their dream clients on autopilot. Over the years, I've worked with hundreds of creatives just like you simplify their marketing and scale their businesses. And today, I'm here to help you grow your email list fast using ChatGPT. And let's start with the problem first. So you already know that email marketing is important, but let's face it, when running your creative business, your plate is already full. From juggling clients to perfecting your service, adding an extra thing like email marketing feels overwhelming. For service-based providers, up to 80% of your sales is driven through email. As for Betsy and Francis, it is where we make the majority of our sales is through email marketing. It has allowed us to scale to a multiple 6-figure business. So if you're not growing your email list, you are 1, losing out on a huge number of potential clients to work with, and 2, you're at the mercy of Instagram. I only found out a couple of years ago that we are merely renting our audience on Instagram. We don't own them. So if anything ever happens to our account, if it ever gets hacked, Instagram goes down, we lose that entire audience. So what we want to do to future-proof your business is get your Instagram audience across to an email list that you 100% own as quickly as possible. And that's where ChatGPT comes in. This video is going to show you the 3 steps how you're going to use ChatGPT to grow your email list fast in 2025. Step 1 is all about crafting a magnetic lead magnet using ChatGPT. A lead magnet is the #1 thing that you can do for your business to grow to thousands of subscribers. Think of it as an irresistible freebie that as soon as your dream client sees it, they have to have it. This is why it's so important to know who your dream client is. We like to call it your profitable niche, the person that you love, that you know that you can offer the biggest transformation to, and most importantly, that they can pay premium prices. If you haven't seen this video yet, I will try and link it somewhere here, and then you can watch how to find your profitable niche. This is what we want to do, is find them first and then create the lead magnet targeted at them. To best demonstrate how a lead magnet can grow your email list fast, I will now turn to the iPad. One of the hardest things you're going to face as a creative business owner is to actually get in front of your dream client, never mind actually getting their email address. In this little short training, I'm going to show you how to not only get in front of them, but position yourself as a specialist and to get their email address. So using this simple funnel, what we want to do is focus on getting their attention. Now this could be through paid or free content. So what we want to do for the paid content, which is going to be meta ads, and the free is going to be Instagram content. But we want to get their attention. So by using either one of those platforms, we want to get yourself in front of your dream client. Then we want to position your freebie to them. So something that's a quick win, something that's very valuable to them. We want them to feel that you've been able to help them already within such a short amount of time. Don't give everything away. Think of it just as a quick win to get them onto that next step, and it gets them aware of not only your business, but it gets them aware that you can actually help them with a bigger problem that they're facing. And then by doing that, they're going to have to exchange their email address to get that lead magnet. And by doing that, not only have you been able to get in front of your dream client, you've been able to help them for free, and you've also been able to grow your email list as well. And that is one of the best ways to get in front of your dream client, help them and get their email address that you can future email market to them. But if you're like, James, how do I actually create my lead magnet? In this next prompt, I'm going to show you how to create a lead magnet PDF that speaks directly to your dream client, and it gets them to book on a free discovery call with you. Taking the prompt from the description below, what I want you to do is hop over to ChatGPT and paste it in, and I'll run you through it. So for your business, I want you to customize it for you and your audience. So for this one, it's an interior designer. So we start off by saying, I'm an interior designer and I want to create a lead magnet in the form of a PDF for my dream client who is an affluent and sophisticated female. So we want to attract affluent and sophisticated buyers. We don't want to attract hard to please or price-based buyers. Use a casual and conversational tone throughout. Can you provide 5 examples of a high converting cover page title and subheading that will grab attention? Examples could be how to or 5 ways. And I want you to use pain points and deep desires. Include a time frame. So 4 weeks, 8 weeks, 12 weeks, something like that to help them say, okay, I can achieve this transformation in a certain amount of time. Provide a contents page, and then 5 thought-provoking titles and paragraphs consisting of 50 words giving valuable information. This is going to be the body of the actual lead magnet itself, so the thing that sits in the middle, so it gives them free information that helps them out. End with a call to action page that includes a photo of me and a high converting title that gets my dream client to take action action to book on a free discovery call. So we're looking for a ready to, or transform, or imagine when, things like that. Include an additional page. Now this page can be included at the very beginning or at the very end. Introduce me and show that I'm a specialist and I've worked with hundreds of women before. So let's click enter to that. And ChatGPT is going to give us the examples here. So this is our lead magnet for affluent, sophisticated women. The cover page titles, so the very front cover, so big headline. So these are examples for that. Underneath is a contents page. And then the 5 thought-provoking titles and paragraphs. This is going to be the bit that sits in the middle. And then after that, it's going to be the extra page. So it's the about me page. So hi, I'm Jessica, I'm on a mission too. And then a call to action page at the very bottom. So ready to create your dream home. Let's talk, book in a free discovery call. So for me, this is a really good layout that you can use and customize for your business. So whatever it is that you do, photography, branding, VA, anything like that, copywriting, you can use this same approach to go through, create your lead magnet that positions you as a specialist, gets you in front of your dream client, helps them first before asking anything in return, and it grows your email list. So go through, check out this prompt and customize it for your business to get creating your lead magnet for your business. Step 2 is all about how to write a high converting opt-in landing page for this new lead magnet of yours. What we want you to do is create your lead magnet, create this landing page so that you can send your audience to, so then you can convert them from a visitor into an email subscriber. So what we want to do is on this particular page that you'll send them to, so if it's organic from Instagram, you can send them there, but what we recommend is doing meta ads so you can scale it and you can automate your business. On this particular page that you send them to, we want to have the option that they can come through, click on the download now button, put in their email address, and then get access to the lead magnet. Now there's a certain way to do it because colors, the copy, the imagery, all that has a really big toll on how high converting this page is. We want your page to be sitting around 30 to 40%. We don't want it sitting at about 5% because think of it as if we send 100 people to this page, if only 5 people download it, we want it to be higher converting. So around the 40% mark would be a dream. So to do that, what we want to do is call out who your dream client is at the very top. So whether it's creatives, coaches, photographers, mums to be, anything like that, we want to say this page is made for you. Next, we want to talk about the headline and the sub-headline. So the headline is going to talk about the big promise that they can reach. After that, we're going to have a big section where it's the mock-up of the actual lead magnet. So I want to see a beautiful mock-up with the front cover on it so that person knows exactly what they're going to be downloading. Next, have a button, a call to action that says download now. So it's really nice and simple for them to understand. And then this last section here is we want to have testimonials. So people that has previously worked with you. So if you've got 3 testimonials, which would be amazing, how good of the positive experience it has been working with you. So looking at this, we call out our dream client, we talk about the big transformation, we show the actual front cover of the lead magnet that they're going to be downloading. Our call to action button says download now, and then we back it up with testimonials from previous dream clients. And here is what an example of that looks like. So as you can see here, by doing everything in the right way, the conversion rate for our lead magnet page sits around 40%. So we now use meta ads, send it to that particular page that we know at a 40% conversion rate out of every 100 people, 40 people is going to be downloading it. So as you go through business, it starts to become a numbers game. So how can I send 100 people to it? How can I send 1,000 people to it? So that's what we want. And for the copy for your page, I've created a prompt that you can use in the description below as well. And that will get you started on writing a high converting opt-in landing page for your lead magnet. We're on to the third and final step. This is the 5-day nurture sequence that's going to take your dream client onto a free discovery call, because with them downloading your lead magnet, that indicates that they're a warm lead. It shows that they have a problem that they're looking at a solution for. This is where you come in with your expertise. Use this automated sales funnel in the form of an email sequence to get them onto a free discovery call. And this is where your dream client starts. They start as a complete stranger, but what we need to do is provide the lead magnet and the email nurture sequence to then warm them up to then book on a free discovery call with you. So the very first email that we need to send them is a download link that they can access the lead magnet straight away. And then on day 2, we want to give them another quick win. We want to give them that another rush of dopamine to, oh my God, this person can help me. They've helped me with the lead magnet. They've helped me with this. They must be good. Next, on day 3, this is where you share your story. Now, this is going to resonate with your audience. I once was where you are now. I did things differently. Now I've built a business that helps people just like you will move forward and get to where they want to be. So this is really, really good to have this part into your email nurture sequence. Day 4, this is where you show a testimonial. So Michelle joined me. She was suffering with this, this, and this. She is now here. She's got this big transformation, and this is what Michelle has to say for it. Now, we can say how good our businesses are, but until they hear a testimonial from somebody else, this is one of the biggest things that's going to convert them to booking in that free discovery call with you. And then finally on day 5, we want to give them the option to book in a free discovery call with you. Now, by doing all of this, this is by far one of the best things you can do. So use Meta Ads, get in front of your dream client, give them something for free, and then as soon as you get their email, follow up with this 5-day nurture sequence to book them onto a free discovery call. And I've created a ChatGPT prompt you can see below where you can use it for your business, how to create a 5-day email nurture sequence that takes a complete stranger, dream client, onto a free discovery call in your business. When you do this in your business, it's going to automate your sales funnel completely. So the thing that you need to focus on and get in front of as many new people as possible. If you implement the 3 steps I'm teaching you today, you're going to see massive growth and the biggest shifts in your business. Not only will it bring you the income that you want, it'll give you the lifestyle that you've dreamt of. If you find this video useful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a creative friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos just like this, how to scale your creative business to 6 figures. And before you go, drop a comment below, let me know your biggest struggle in business. We would love to help you. Until next time, keep creating.